Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vernon Solutions, the Learn HTML series using W3 Schools. We're in the midst of the paragraphs chapter in the tutorial, and we've reached the poem problem, which deals with the whole question of spacing and how to display it. And so the example here is pretty simple, where you can see on the right there are no line breaks even though we've typed them in. Now, in this particular case, I'm going to recommend that we could use the break tag, even though the tutorial doesn't recommend it. And the break tag won't solve every problem with formatting, but it will change just the basics if that's all we really want to do. Right? And in fact, if we wanted 2 spaces between each, we can do 2 breaks. Just going to do that really quickly and show you. We're going to get a pretty similar result here to what the tutorial recommends with the pre-tag, which we're coming to in the next part of this chapter. If I run this, see I've got nice spacing between the lines. Go back into the tutorial and come down to see that the tutorial recommends the pre-element, and we'll do a try it yourself there. Yes, it's true, we can do the pre-formatting, and it's a little bit simpler. What if we wanted triple spacing? I agree, it's a little bit simpler just to hit a carriage return, and you get that result on the right. And the other point not made here, we could put in some spaces, even within words, and it'll work, right? So we really do get pre-formatted text here, and I agree that's a little bit more useful than the break tag. However, I'm going to recommend that you wait until the CSS portion of this and even do the CSS tutorial, where I think you get a lot more control over all kinds of spacing issues. Not that I'm opposed to the pre-tag, I just don't think it's always the best, and I think you get better control using cascading style sheets and other commands. Okay, and then we'll wrap this up in the next video in the series with the exercises for HTML for paragraphs.